we are starting a new lesson, okay? You have been talking about heat and temperature, yes, and you've been talking about conductors and insulators, and that was all kind of a pre-unit, a small unit in between what we did at the beginning of the first trimester, right, which our unit was how do we prove we live on a changing earth? And in this unit, we are going to talk about how we can provide energy to people's homes, okay? So this is our new unit. Okay, so we are on lesson 1 of the new unit, okay? And our focus question for the next 4 lessons, so this week and next week, our focus question is how does energy move and change? What is our focus question? Everyone should have their hand up. I just said it. It is on the board for you. Everyone say it together. What is our focus question?
How does energy change?
Yeah, how does energy move and change? Okay? Now, I want you to think about energy, okay? And think about all the things you did last week, okay? If somebody says, wow, you're really full of energy, what does that mean? What does that mean, Ryan? If somebody says you're really full of energy, yeah, you can move around a lot and often without getting tired, okay? What are some other ways that people use the word energy? Zoe, what's another way that people use the word energy? The energy is what? Oh, the energy is full? Yeah, on your phone. Colton?
Like energetic.
Yeah, energetic, sure. Alexa?
Like energy in your car, like gas.
Yes. Okay, so it's how we measure how much power something has, right? So what are some of the different ways that you use energy at home? What's a different way? Addie, how do you use energy at home?
Air conditioning.
Yeah, air conditioning. Micah, how do you use energy at home? You have what? Well, how do you use energy at your house? What's a way that you do it? Yeah, lights. Yeah, absolutely. Colton?
Like electronics.
Yeah, electronics. Any kind of electronic uses energy. Okay, energy can mean different things depending on the situation. Okay, so in this unit or in this module, you will be learning some of the ways that scientists and engineers use the word energy. But first, what you're going to do is you are going to think about what you already know about energy. So there is this worksheet, and it says, what do I already know? Okay? And it says, I will show you a picture of a kitchen. You are going to write a list of the places in the kitchen where there is energy. Next to each item, write that what evidence of energy you would see, hear, or feel. Here's one example. An oven. You would feel heat when the oven is on. Okay? Number 2 says sometimes you split the lamp switch and the lamp doesn't turn on. Think like an engineer. What could you do to figure out why? Number 3, how would you know if you have solved the problem with the lamp? Okay? Number 4, the table lists several natural resources that we use as sources of energy. Fill in what you know about each resource. If you don't know, write, I don't know. Okay? So you're going to fill this out, and I'm going to project the picture of energy in the kitchen. So here's a picture just to help keep your mind going about perhaps different things in a kitchen that would use energy. So the example, the oven is on, so you see the oven, you see that there's heat, okay? So you would feel heat when the oven is on, okay? So this is what you're going to do. You're going to take the next 10 minutes and you are going to fill this paper out about what you already know about this lesson, okay? You are going to do this independently and without a partner because I don't want to know what your friend knows. I want to know what you know. So I am going to pass this out. Yeah, actually, can you pass this out? I'm going to pass these out, and you are to cut. If you need to cut it, you can. But you're going to you're going to glue it into your science notebook when you are done. Questions about what you're expected to do right now? I am leaving this picture up of the kitchen. Okay, I'm leaving the picture up. If you are watching this on screencast, you may just pause the video and you'll keep seeing the picture of the kitchen. Okay? When you are done with this, you are going to glue it into your science notebook. Thank you. Back to the lesson. Okay? So, okay, I'm just waiting for a few more kids to be ready to go. Okay? So the module's main question is how can we provide energy to people's homes? Okay? Tomorrow you'll get a reader and you'll have read an introduction and timeline of energy at home. Okay? After you read the section, we will have a class discussion about energy and evidence of energy in household items today and in the past. Okay? So careful observations can be recorded and used as evidence to support claims and to draw conclusions. Evidence can come from trusted sources, like the reading or from your own firsthand observation. Okay? So heat, light, sound, and motion. Everyone say that. Heat, light, sound, and motion. Those are all ways, okay? And you're going to read about this tomorrow in your reading, okay? Heat, light, sound, and motion, okay? For example, are you okay? Okay, so heat, okay? Heat, if you turn on the stove, you feel the heat, okay? That is evidence of energy. Light, the light is on. I can see the light bulb on or off. Gabby, please excuse yourself. Put your mask on, go in the hallway, and come back when you're ready, okay? Okay, so light, okay? Light is, you can see the light turned on. The sound, right? So for example, if you turned on popcorn on your stove, you would hear it popping, okay? You would hear it popping. And motion, okay? So something moving is energy moving. You can see something. So if you're playing with something like this and you can see it moving, you know that there is energy present. Does this make sense? Okay.